are going to show you how to use the functions of a split-second chronograph using IWC Pilot's Watch Double Chronograph Edition Antoine de Saint Exupery. Let's start to read the dial. The sub-dial at 12 o'clock is the 30-minute counter, the one at 9 o'clock is the second counter, and at 6 o'clock is the hour counter. The apertures at 3 o'clock display the day and date. There are 4 hands, 2 to indicate the hour and minute. The other 2 indicates the seconds and are used for the chronograph functions. They are called the seconds hand and the split seconds hand. There are 4 buttons at the side. The crown at 3 o'clock is used to set the time and date of the watch. The top right button is to start or stop the second counter of the chronograph function, while the top left button is for the split seconds counter. The bottom right button at 4 o'clock resets the chronograph to 0 time. The integrated double chronograph measures any period of time up to 12 hours in seconds, minutes, and hours using the split seconds hand, Authorized, to record intermediate times or a second finish time, and stop times can be added together. How to use it? To start or stop the chronograph, press the top right button. When you activate the split seconds hand button at the top left, it will stop the split seconds hand, but it will not influence the time measurement. This is how you can record an intermediate time while the standard stopwatch continues to run, meaning the seconds hand will continue to move. By activating the split seconds hand button once again, you can cause the split seconds hand to catch up with the chronograph seconds hand. Your chronograph is then ready for the next intermediate time stop. To stop the chronograph, press again the Start-Stop button at the top right. Both seconds hands stop simultaneously. To reset all the chronograph hands to 0, press the Reset button, which is the bottom right one. Don't leave the split seconds hand in a stop position for long periods, otherwise it might damage the movement. It should always be resynchronized with the chronograph seconds hand once again after measuring intermediate times or for recording a second finish. The separately stopped split seconds hand is not automatically reset and has to be reset by pressing the split seconds hand button again. You can add stop times together by pressing the Start-Stop button again after the first measurement instead of the Reset button. And now you're ready to use the double chronograph of your watch. So, who runs faster?